Hey, this is Mark Rollins again from the Geek Church, and today we've got a special product relating to health. This is, I think, another first for us to do a product like this. This is from OMRON, and this is I believe it's called the OMRON TENS Therapy Focus. If you're not familiar with this product, it's kind of cool. This company makes a lot of health-based products here, like blood pressure meters and stuff like that. If you go on their website, you can see a lot of their stuff that is made for both the doctor and the consumer. And for this is kind of interesting. Basically, the TENS therapy looks like it is made for specifically arthritic type pain, especially around the knee. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this guy, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff that's inside here. Okay. This looks like some sort of like charging base for it. Makes a lot of sense. But a charging base for what? Oh, we'll see. This looks like the cord for that. And this thing, I don't know what this is, but we'll check this out later. Okay, carrying case, always gotta have that. And, this is where the magic happens. See this little guy? So you can see he's on the box here. Now what happens is, this guy is, I don't really know how to even describe this, but essentially, there's this thing that this attaches to. Okay, and it's kind of like this little Band-Aid type thing. This sticks on here somehow. Now what is gonna happen here is like, all right, I don't know how good we're gonna get this in the shot, but I'm gonna try this. Basically, you put this on your knee or other areas, and essentially, this thing delivers like small little shockies on you. I've actually felt this, and they're kind of like, and it's sort of like, it helps sort of bring about the things in your body that will help suppress pain. This is what they call TENS therapy, T-E-N-S, all capitals. This is something that this company does and does pretty well. You can look on their website for more information about how this particular process works. And if you are an arthritic sufferer, especially the knee, this product is probably going to be for you because honestly, hey, no one likes to live with pain. And so if we've got a product that can help relieve that, OMRON can help. Anyway, I believe this runs at about $149, and you can get that from the website. And we'll put a link in our article. Well, we'll sign off from there, and we'll see you next time. This is Mark from the Geek Church.